Lindesnes Lighthouse, located in Norway, is a famous tourist attraction that fascinates visitors with its rich history and breathtaking views. Being the oldest lighthouse in Norway, it has significant cultural and historical value. Lindesnes Lighthouse is located at the southernmost point of mainland Norway and offers visitors a unique opportunity to enjoy the stunning coastal scenery. The lighthouse has become a popular destination for tourists wishing to explore Norway's natural beauty. Tourists visiting the Lindesnes Lighthouse can expect to enjoy stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Perched on a rocky cliff overlooking the North Sea, this iconic landmark provides an unparalleled vantage point to marvel at the wonders of nature. Whether you are a history buff, nature lover, or simply looking for a unique travel experience, Lindesnes Lighthouse in Norway is a destination not to be missed. Its combination of natural beauty, historical significance, and cultural richness makes it a truly remarkable place to visit.